Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we are starting off in the downstairs bathroom, giving it a complete scrub as it was full of, mould, soap scum, grime and muddy walls from when Cooper has a bath. Just have some lemon sif in a Dishmatic and using a toothbrush to scrub out the shower.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
To scrub the walls, I'm just using some Flash all-purpose cleaner in a bucket and scrubbing the walls. The paint did come off. I don't think it's bathroom paint on this on these walls, but it's fine. It got the mud off, and that's all that I wanted.
I found my way. was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, find my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, find my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Harriet and Cooper were very present in today's video. They just kind of wanted to see everything that I was doing. The living room is just a quick spritz about putting the dog toys away, washing the blankets, and then hoovering and mopping. And to mop, I've literally just wrapped a damp dust cloth around the mop with some Flora on it to give it a quick spritz. the kitchen, we're just going to wipe the surfaces down. And again, hoover and mop. You can literally see everything that I'm doing. I am using the minimal cleaning products, which they did send to me. I did work with them over on Instagram, but this is in the scent Blood Orange, and it does smell really nice. Usually, like, eco-friendly cleaning products don't have a strong scent, but the scent on this is really good. That is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.